Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook ginseng chicken soup. First, gather all your fresh ingredients to ensure the best flavor. It's important to thoroughly clean and prepare your chicken, removing any excess fat. Remember to soak your dried ginseng and other herbs beforehand. Finally, select a large, heavy-bottomed pot to ensure even cooking and prevent scorching. These initial steps are crucial for a delicious and nourishing soup. For this recipe, you'll need a whole chicken, ideally weighing between 2 and 3 pounds. Prepare 2 to 3 pieces of dried ginseng root, ensuring they are clean. Don't forget to add about 5 to 7 dried jujubes and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic for depth of flavor. Rinse 1/4 cup of sticky rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch. Now for the cooking. Carefully stuff the chicken cavity with the prepared sticky rice, garlic, and jujubes. Place the stuffed chicken and the ginseng root into your large pot. Pour in enough water to completely cover the chicken, ensuring it's fully submerged. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and simmer gently for at least 1.5 hours, or until the chicken is tender. Once your ginseng chicken soup is ready, carefully ladle it into individual bowls. The chicken should be incredibly tender and easy to pull apart. Season the soup with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste, adjusting to your preference. For a fresh touch, garnish with some freshly chopped green onions. Enjoy this comforting and nourishing soup, perfect for a healthy and delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.